Right, so here we are at the pattern plating line, which you can see behind me here. Pretty big machine, impressive machine, one of the critical process steps. Now, I know Steve is very impressed by this machine in terms of the quality of the plating, in particular the through holes. Going to explain that to us. And also how this machine can handle the typical production runs that you would see in the UK, low to medium volume, high mix, lots of different materials. So Steve, explain all that to us.
One of the attractions of working with Garner is that this is a typical high mix, low volume shop. But also, as you can see on the line here, we've got lots of different panel sizes. Many companies like to use a standard panel size, maybe a 24 by 18 inch panel or an 18 by 20 or an 18 by 12 panel. Here at Garner, we're able to give different panel sizes to suit the need of our job. The other thing here, in this factory in particular, they're very, very used to working with different materials. So you can walk around this factory as you are now, and you're going to see PTFEs, you're going to see ceramics, you're going to see aluminium, you're going to see FR4, and you're going to see Soluboard. And it's a perfect demonstration of how Soluboard can be integrated into a PCB factory.
Okay. You were mentioning IPC standards in terms of plating hole, through-hole plating thickness and that type of thing. Just explain that.
Yeah, so IPC has some default thicknesses. So IPC typically looks for IPC class 2, you typically look for greater than 22, 25 microns in the hole as a standard. Everything we've had so we microsection everything because we're constantly proving our material. Everything we've been getting from Garner has had in excess of 30 to 35 microns in the hole. Yeah, this line is actually really performs really well on our material.